How to sync photos from your iPhone to your MacBook. So I'll show you how you can sync your photos and videos between devices. Now first thing you need to do is head over to your iPhone and just load up your settings. Now click on your profile name at the very top of this screen and then go and click on iCloud. You can then scroll down to Save to iCloud and click on See All. Click on iCloud Photos and just make sure Sync This iPhone is turned on. Now once you've enabled this, you can head over to your Mac computer. Now from your Mac, click on the Apple logo and press System Settings. Click on your profile name and make sure you're signed into the same Apple account that you're signed into on your iPhone. You can then scroll down to iCloud, click on See All and press Photos. Now make sure Sync This Mac is also turned on. Now once you've done this, you should be able to sync photos between your devices. So if you come down to the Photos app in your taskbar, you can then click on Library from the left-hand side, and from here you should be able to find all of the photos that are also on your iPhone.